ni la ge la ipwa mu pwa ta phita ma a ula hita ma ala chi te hanu wa ni da man da ri da ma da ti phai lo no ku ta ni pwa la a order lucky draw mi ge a mi to do ni di ba mi ge de tu order wi la ka cha cha la ka ma cha mi ge ni a mi te la tu ba ni ta ti kwa mi u ni tu ko ya phone mi ge tu che a message mi ge ta nu yai te li a pu kui ta nu ni ye ti nya wa da la pa sek la ya ta ga khi ga la wa ti ta do ni ba di ba sa do khop lo la yita ma a ba la ye le ra ki ra a chi bloody ni ye pya wa da hi kho ti de ye si sa wa da ta thu ta da ba de a ke ta ki wa da la le phat tho cha ni mo no ko ni ta ni nyai ni ba la order wa ti pha ha ye le sha la ni ke o a we ni w ga ba kwe la wa da mi ni na ti ni ti ta yi ma ko ni do lucky draw ni ko o ti wa da chi ke ya ta ke ya di the ni lo ta ni nyai ni ba ka ma che wa da la ka cha che wa da si ya leตะกะยาအဝဲတကနေရေချီလက်စပုတ်ကေမူရလက်စပုတ်ကေတကနေရေချီတော့အဝဲတကနေလဖလဲကချာချဝဲတာရေချီမနော်ဟိုတနေလေမပွက်ကြီးအိုလေတာဖီတာမနော်ရေချမလာလက်တဝိနေနော်ရေချဝဲတာမိနစ်ခက်လက်ခက်ချေမီလတင်နီတော့မဘူးကနေဝဲတာဖာအညာလဘေဟေလောဝဲတာ lucky draw ပကတဲ့ကြလဲပေါ်လာအမီနီခုဖာဒီဝီနီตัวมาบุกูดีดีตาไว้คันเนี่ยแกดาตัวมาบัวเรดูตะคาละตะกูคายเคละฮู้เกมเนาะกูตานี่แต่ย่อบ้าเนาะบามีคนแหละว่ามีออเดอร์นี่บากวยละว่ามีโฟนอ address มีเนี่ยบาทอระ address ติมีมุมีเนาะเดเลเซลเนี่ยเวติกูนี่เลยตะปูเฮ้ยยา good morning ตอตู hello อุลอเมริกาอุลอยู่ก็อ่ะ good morning ดิบามีละอยู่ก็แล้วเนาะกูตานี่พูปีมากกว่าละ address ติมนะที่แต่บล็อกเขาเนี่ย address กำมาเนี่ยพอให้กี่เชื่อก็ได้กี่เวลาเดี๋ยวพอ address กำมาอุตไงป้าเชื่อก็ได้กี่ดีคือก็กว่าตาของมูเดียอย่ากำมาเราสาวตาของมูใครกันเนี่ยอย่ากว่าเวลาโซลชาวตาของมูใครเนี่ยเอาคุยดูมาโซลชาฮัลโหลมหาคาเรนก็เลยเวลาเลย YouTube ที่บ้ากว่าโดนด่าดิเลยบ้ากันน่าด่าแต่วิหอย
Take a look at this.
The man, the legend.
This is going to take you and your
Sonia, how
to
are
the
you?
breaking point.
What the hell? Make us proud.
Share a screen.
I'm not going to make the same mistake.
Oh my God, here they come!
Those are your pilots.
Canada đã từ hello movie gọi là gì Việt Pháp bên nói khi nhà cái cuộc coi nó nhớ này giờ mai đã live là hello con aku tadi orang mẹ quan ni chỉ là computer mẹ ya chúng là cuộc coi ni cái là nó là dù coi lại vậy con đứa màเขาสู้ว่าใช่น้องเต้าเลสาปูเปลีนักมันนี่ลักกี้ดรอเมียเอดูออเดอร์ลักกี้ดรอนี่สนี่อาไม่เสร็จเป็นตาโพอีฟูว่าเวดาโอเยจะตีเลมาเนสกุยตาขนาดตาวิเดียUti ta the yupo to pa Keina une pele Don't let me down pele Umbi ko wana na Ta no we no ma Ni so tung mong kinye na Muni lang pati no ta They know me on tea, love. တစ်စိတ်ကမကြိုက်ဖြစ်ဖြစ်ဘာဝီလီကြည့်ရတာမိတော့ကညအော်တော်ရတာမိတစီညာကွယ်လောက်ခက်ကာ
yo con me de no the tapino tende so ti ke na so ga to ye da do na pasa no opele te inya ye halo kwe akha ye ti wa lo na ta pu I pu wa we da uye to te le ba na so pi ya ta no ta so kamu ke le u ti che ta te yu po te ba ke ina one pele don le ne da pele
ဒုန်နေပါလေးအယုံ
ko kwa la la
လော်ဒီကာစ
lo
င်
we ye do ma
also play
mo ke ye da
the program ဘာနငင်းနပလော
ti lo da
you try for ဘာရေဒီနာတေyou try ဘာရေ
ye no one pele don le ne da pele ko kwa la la lo we ye do ma me so kan mo ke ke da mu ni lo ti lo da te no o me o ti le ba o ti te ta pe ju po te pa
Natuwa la viper.
These are the silents.
Oh,
this is their idea of going all in, pun intended. This is them doing things the old-fashioned way. This is how they feast their eyes. And here they are, straight up feasting. This is where they like to find themselves, above it all. These are the silents.
And this is Howie Vegas.
ကျွန်တော်တော့ယုံကရင်မျိုးဆက်တဲ့လူငယ်တွေတဲမျိုးလေးလမ်းစီလို့ချမ်းပေးရမယ်နော်လူငယ်တွေနဲ့ရင်သွေးစုံမှချမ်းလို့ရမယ်နော်ခင်လူငယ်တွေကရမ်းတော်တယ်နော်ဒါစကိန်းတော့ချဲလို့ဘာတော့တယ်ဝဲတင်မှာ
You put on it, couple your me boy. Don't let it now, let it move. You draw it out. Look back, what pain is that? Did I go who told it out? Put it on ya. To cry, you don't have the lawyer now. You're not pulling out to my tears on a lumber.
If you know you okay, no? Đây. Phone number thì mà nó sẽ tới chỉ nên lùi. Lấy cái cho chỉ nên lùi, nó thì phone number nó sẽ tới lùi ra đấy. ဒီဖုန်းတော့ကြီး okay နော်ဖုန်းတော့ကြီးတပ်လိုက်လားနော်အဖလားလက် screen ခိုင်နေနော်ကြောကဲလာဒီမ ကိုကင်စကားလည်းပြောတတ်တဲ့လောက်ပြောပြမှာနော်မမလိုရတော့တိုင်းနော်မလိုရတော့တာဝဲနေကိုကင်ပမာတဲ့ချင်းနာထောင်မယ်ကျန်နေဟိုကနေကတော့ကနာပရရတာဝင်းပေါ်မတရားဆောင်ရညာကဲယူမှုနော်ညောလင်းချင်းလေးမင်းသာရှိရောက်တဲ့ရဲ့ဖြစ်တဲ့ဘဝမှာပြောတန်စင်တွေတိတ်ဆိတ်တဲ့ညများလေးကာယပြတ်တဲ့နေ့တွေဆိုမိဒရမင်းရဲ့စိတ်ထဲရှိကိုယ်တည်းရဲ့နေကံလို့တော်နိုင်ကြတော့မြောင်းနော်ဆိုနိုင်သေးတော့ဝေးကမှတယ်တကယ်လို့မင်းစိတ်မကုန်သေးအသက်ရှောင်တွေ့သေးတော်နိုင်ကြတော့မြောင်းနော်တော်နိုင်ကြတော့မြောင်းနော်ဆိုနိုင်သေးတော့ဝေးကမှတယ်တကယ်လို့မင်းစိတ်မကုန်သေးအသက်ရှောင်တွေ့သေးတော်နိုင်ကြတော့မြောင်းနော်မဲ့ဒီမှာမင်းကဘယ်ပုံစံမျိုးနဲ့စီချိုမလဲဘုံဘောကမှစားချီရဲ့နဲ့ဝီလက်တွေ့တဲ့မိနိုင်အောင်ဒီချိန်မှာလက်လို့ရမယ်ဒီတဲ့မပိုင်တဲ့ပန်းလေးချစ်ပေဖို့လာမမင်းလေးဆောင်ခြင်းဆောင်ဓမ္မပုတ်ချသူတရားဘူလီပါမမထနိုင်မှာလိမ္မာလေးဟိ This is where Jeremy bạn này kia tao mà lo.
Sau này biết không biết nè, nghe lo biết sinh con này, tiếc sao mà chuyện này giờ này tôi nhớ đâu nhớ nó, giờ này tôi nhớ đâu nhớ nó, sau này biết không biết nè, nghe lo biết sinh con này, tiếc sao mà chuyện này giờ này tôi nhớ đâu nhớ nó. Que lo vi se come.
Talia tela, Talia.
Yo no no.
Mi cái này u lại hi lo của ta này. Hi lo của ta này cái nào chứ. Ta cái chuyện rồi xí thì lại chỉ mình nó. Na thằng lúc cao này cái chuyện.
Yo này no no. Sau này biết không biết sinh con này, tiếc sao mà chuyện này giờ này tôi nhớ đâu nhớ nó, giờ này tôi nhớ đâu nhớ nó, sau này biết không biết nè, nghe lo biết sinh con này, tiếc sao mà chuyện này giờ này tôi nhớ đâu nhớ nó. Que lo vi sinh câu này, tiếc sao mà chuyện này giờ này tôi nhớ đâu nhớ nó.
This is your current dog food, and this is Ollie. See the difference?
Cái nào sao thế? Thôi cái nhau.
Saya nasi yo demi qua granona no ta be no quina cause I been on a delay you know if I don't love I love you boo you hear quina lonely say you're so tall live a silent queen yeah say you're so tall. Let it see what I thought. You will say lucky. Good in our life. 'Cause I mean since I made that I ain't what I'm waiting on time. Yeah, I thought you now. Can't go on it a while. But no, and all the time. That's what falling to here. To my head, that's I don't know. Maybe it was love, but I saw you every night. Say you're so tall. Let a silent queen, yeah. Say you're so alegría te yata la le tigua atha ya me onse la waki que ni na la ye que va mi la na te ta mi ta ta que va mi la na te ta mi ta ta que va mi la na te ta mi ta ta I still have some ticket. Para hola Milwaukee mẹ nó. Milwaukee thì phải nó.
Living with less pain means living at your best.
Yo simply you're my say tombo Pay your own yellow betty meno Tapu puedo tabayo Talo boa leta makwa ami so ten miyaka Nahine
cái bữa tư là ta tao đi chơi phố nó, bỏ lỡ u la mẹ qua khi đi phá, mẹ ta lo đi chơi cái này, lấy này đi mua bà phao này u chơi đi nó, cô ta này mà chơi bé khi nó, thì mẹ tin nhà là u chơi cái u đi này, thì mẹ ta bùi đi bà này, bùi chơi gar bé nó, lỡ mẹ qua khi phải này nó, u chú kle.
Eyale tagitama nasuka mo perkaya Yo simlu yole amasaya tobo Eya uyero meti meno tapu puedo tabayo Talo mo le tampa kwa ami so te niyaka Nahi ne yana tagitama nasuka mo perkaya Yo ba yenu tamu akasa doko Lesi ko yenu tapo taya dro la yo Akuye dale musa Ba use ko ne muna Basa yo aku kone maladaya Baya ya te nyala Eya doma Ketane ya tala nado Kehikanya kedukata Yo simlu yole amasaya tombo Eya uyero beti meno Tapu puedo tabayo Talo mo le tamakwa ami so te niyaka Nehi ne yale tagitama Nasuka mo perkaya Yo ma yenu tamu akasa doko Lesi ko yenu tapo taya dro la yo Akuye dale musa Ba use ko namuna Basa yo aku kore ala Eyadoma Katane Talanado Kahika Nakalikata Jayolo Yuma Yelu Tamu Akasadoko Lesigo Yelu Tapota Yadrola Yu Takienda Lemusa Say con le muna Masaya Kure Malataya Baya ya tenya lena Eya doma Ketene ya talenado Keikana kedekata Baya ya tenya lena Eya doma Ketene ya talenado Keikana kedekata
Kenapa? Solat hawa kelimu mana? Lega khi elo tala Facebook de pa no.
I have a challenge for all of you. Go to every computer in your house.
I was eating because I was stressed out, candy bars and chips and donuts, gaining weight. But since I started Noom, I've lost 70 pounds before I went on Noom. I didn't like how I looked. I couldn't even see my feet. I used that.
Honyes on my panel, me pambukete. Sit down on me, wally lare. Katilone kubeko, ni milane kwe. Nibze chilo, muma so No sé qué te chito, me quiero pegar. Sono le foto eso, non è qua. Ci ha da me, io mi qua. Devi sentirlo, non sono nero. I'm in it, you say, do you like me? No. Con la magia metti dietro, piensiamo. Perché la notte non è capito. Cosa non sei nevuta, accendimelo. Whatever deep down, she say, oh. Che te cito, mi piace te va. Sociamo le tutto asso, mi mungone qua. Dici a me, io mi qua. Never say it love, oh my soul, me love. I'm in an empty state, do you love me? No. Solo say never without changing alone. People want to be your babe, she said, love with an empty state, do you love me? No. Never till you met the years and more. I know that you know that was that before. Cause from no saying that without changing alone. People wanted to be your babe, she said,
Hello.
Never quit to love, more so.
Kaini the miwera yitera kasoba no Kaini ibashe ni wera bwa aweni lucky draw to do ni ba kwela wera mi the address the phone no we the kala post la wera goma phone okay Kaini pak share wera ta la trendy wera la Facebook no phone the two wera di la la trendy wera la Facebook stop screen share a different one Never say too low.
Seeing what kind of behavior I'd have, how did I have a sex scene, and then I started saying, no, I won't take the sex scenes, or, I'll take the part where I don't play, that kind of character, or then I started minimizing the kinds of kissing scenes that I had, and eventually I had to change the wardrobe that I could have.
Kike ni pate wera actor baka wera la Johnny Depp like wera Pirates of Caribbean actor, huh? The ex-wife sitani ama la apukui mono la aweni Amber Heard away the toweda the yayo toweda ko ruler baka wera la awete lo power la pukwini amadu weni bakala tagita klula tela baka wadim tadini badu era tusi juda lela we franchise we da Disney tagomula gera Pirates of Caribbean tagomu sheni pata kodu la tagomu ba kuni keni aware with the yasweda mala defamation of character mono defamation of character sitani the Yaswera Amadu and Maba doeda Amala Puquilimono, Maba doeda where Tuti Lakapo, Huni Kane, let the Yayomono, where Gajala 30 Twesu.
For the past 3 weeks, a Virginia jury has heard from Johnny Depp, as well as a parade of the actor's family, friends, and employees about his ex-wife Amber Heard's excessive drinking, argumentativeness, and penchant for treating him like a human punching bag. Now it's time for Amber to tell her side of the story, and it's not going to be exactly how she expected. A few times the actress has been exposed as not being honest in her testimony. This is a murky, perplexing trial. While it's technically a defamation trial over a newspaper article with Depp suing Amber, at its center is one big conflict. Amber Heard says Johnny Depp abused her. Depp says Amber abused him. So what's the truth? Are Depp's attorneys too good for Amber, or does she genuinely have nothing to tell? Here are 7 times Amber Heard got exposed for lying under oath. Number 1, she testified that Depp threatened to kill her. In her opening statements, Amber's lawyer said this case was about one thing only: whether the actress was exercising her First Amendment right to free speech by writing her 2018 op-ed. While Depp's legal team dug into the minutiae of his relationship with Amber to try and cast doubt over her domestic violence claims, Amber's lawyers will no doubt try and steer the jury's mind back to the op-ed and whether the claims in it were essentially true. Amber has an advantage in this case because the burden is on Depp to prove that her allegations were false. But there are other reasons why Depp may have brought this case. His career has waned because he says Amber unfairly ensnared him into the Me Too movement. Winning this case, or at least airing out his side in full public in its entirety, may be the only way to clear his name. The supermodel testified in 2020 that Depp explicitly threatened to kill her, choked her, and falsely accused her of infidelity. He threw bottles at her as if they were grenades on the night his finger got cut off in Australia. Depp in his testimony gave a tortured explanation of how he used the phrase monster, describing it as the term he used for his struggle to get sober.
Where they are so at money, Pakisikoda, with the Hala Australia Kani, Ilota de Amade, Ilota de Amani, Makui Veda, Paloni, Baweda, Juni, a Jukotoa, two anymore. Dola Pukuarini Amate, Dala Akacharawe, no, Johnny Depp, Akacharu and a Kula, that Judim Nadi, Johnny Depp, Hodinite, Dala, aware Ed de Kitamono, Ed de Kita Okotani. The Mila Gachaka Kula Yachibamo. The Mila Gachaka Kula Yachibado, Kane Bakawera like Amber had testified with Adito Akutudala called him Nadini, Araki, what they child at the Yosa, well, the Mila no cover. Honeyatella when mother were wading. Tiaba. How could Claire be waiting? Pull up Tilaka would him, Mother, that pull that medi, Ula he Pukobulano, Matama de Quam, the Mabua. Chidoka Lenita to that all on Mother Magi, Arkidiwa Pomutanoni, Yetinya Pomutanola, through over a pomu. Taqueta Yala, Papa Quatama Obani, Teda Dito, what they made him knew that in 1 hour, and your Gemona, Mimi Wapoquadini. Mami mother na get 30 minutes buara na ke pokwamia kimi miari ni te mila waka nana ba no papa mu chichi po no cha ka bele po do ta ka mother na ni pa kana ba ta na ba mi na ke ke ni mi kwa da la social media bu di ar ke di pa o we da la Johnny Depp ta pa lo mi mi da la Amber Heard ta pa di ni pa o ni chu ha lo mo Kuni whether a try ni kamata ka di le mata ka ne le adi ni te tinya ba o dia la jury de mo jury la cassette dati ni osu klela no kasi sa osu kletini le pato what's a video
She stole my money.
When it comes... Globe, do you have a message for your fans right now, Mr. Depp?
I'm scared to death. I'm frightened and I don't know what to do. I'm confused and I want to go home.
You promoted the Mandy Lane film.
No, I didn't.
You weren't there? Okay,
I didn't go to Toronto. I was filming my
because there were so many other people.
Hold on 1 second.
No problem.
Courtney? Yeah. I can't do this if people are coming in and out of the door. It's really distracting. Okay. Extremely.
Q, would you listen to this, please? Punching.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Basically, I had a pretty nasty injury. The first bottle went just past my ear, and the second one was a larger bottle, and she threw it from about this distance. It smashed into the bar, which and this finger, the tip of the finger was separate. All the bone in here was completely shattered. I mean, it looked like Vesuvius.
And personally, Johnny is one of the most soulful and kind-hearted and gentle humans that I know. So to see him get transformed
Do you think that his career will ever recover from this?
Johnny Depp, a man who's had a very interesting life in ways that are both.
Le Sadaweda la Malo Padeo, Tagita Gludi, no publish whether Loga Plaloga, Wemi Pala Mother Mamo, Penny porque sale badu we tu tira wa kodo wa ta go mudim na de badu we ta phita mama mi batin ni be say chilo my soul ni lo Kuala Internal ni baka Johnny Depp the Amber Heard really le ko mini deni po dewe no po translate la po yo clothing na de ukela ne Met Gala 22 baka sika fashion re ko sa
Based on the night's theme, which she appropriately called.
So for me, I wanted to give like Gilded Meets the Galaxy.
This magical look is sealed with a gorgeous silver headpiece with a branch-like design and purple jewels. Surprisingly, Taylor shared that the headwear wasn't as uncomfortable as it seemed.
It's comfortable, it ain't killing me.
The cool design is Star Wars worthy, with Taylor evoking a sort of space-age princess vibe. However you want to describe this cosmic look, it's surely otherworldly. Number 9. Alicia Keys. Grammy-winning singer-songwriter Alicia Keys paid homage to her city at this year's gala with the help of fellow New Yorker Ralph Lauren. This sparkling silver strapless gown featured a long black cape with a bedazzled New York City skyline on the train. Keys walked the carpet with husband Swiss Beats, who wore his own NYC-inspired outfit. As always, her skin was flawless and she wore chic minimalist makeup. Her sleek braided hairdo was wrapped in ornate discs, and tiny stones decorated her baby curls, taking the look to another level entirely. Number 8. Maud Apatow. 2022 was Maud Apatow's first year attending the Met Gala, and what a debut it was.
No, this is my first time. I'm freaking out.
Are you freaking out?
No, my hands are shaking.
The breakout Euphoria star went old Hollywood glam in a Miu Miu off-the-shoulder black dress, with beaded detailing and slightly sheer fabric. The way Apatow's gown sparkled under the lights made her appearance all the more eye-catching. And her wavy pin-up hairdo was evocative of a classic Hollywood vixen, with a deep red lip for extra drama.
I love that like classic Hollywood look. That's what I'm trying to go for.
The actress also went all out with a striking Cartier diamond choker and matching earrings. It's official. Maud Apatow is a style icon.
Life is full of surprises, but with our tuition guarantee, you don't get any. Fixed, affordable tuition. No surprises.
Number 7. Lily James. English actress Lily James stunned in this revealing Versace gown, which must be seen from all angles. The dusty lilac number had the Pam and Tommy star draped in beads, creating a glamorous mermaid silhouette that fit her like a glove. The one shoulder detail and iconic slit definitely turned heads, but it's her alluring confidence that had us transfixed. As she posed her way up the steps,
Yana ke team Johnny Depp se kala yo kwa we da la Amber Heard la testify we khani ate ani na kwa sa ni logala ate yo sa we ni ta ya ba lam ko da ni kwa sa wala we ni Met Gala takuta ka she.
James made sure to showcase the beaded wristlet attached to her dress. James has quickly established herself as a fashion icon, so we're not surprised by the fact that she totally rocked this masterpiece. Number 6. Jessica Chastain. It's all Gucci for Jessica Chastain. Following that amazing emerald green Gucci Oscars after-party dress, the award-winning actress donned a crimson all-over sequin ensemble with a complimentary headpiece, featuring a crystal snake slithering over her shoulder. She also wore elegant Gucci high jewelry, completely on theme and absolutely shining on the red carpet with ruby, diamond, pink spinel, and white gold pieces. The fortune teller look is a daring one, but Chastain more than pulls it off. The eyes of Tammy Faye star expertly took us back to Hollywood's golden age, serving vintage cinematic class. We fully support this Gucci collab and hope to see more of these incredible looks in the future. Number 5. Michelle Yeoh. Martial arts acting icon Michelle Yeoh is known for her elegance and strength, and she brought both as she walked the Met carpet in a green gown for the ages. This year, the actress was the muse of American designer Prabal Gurung, one of the costume designers on her upcoming show, a Disney Plus adaptation of American-born Chinese. Yeoh is set to play Guan Ying, the goddess of mercy on the series, and this look perfectly channels that energy.
I play a goddess of mercy in this new TV series, and we thought it would be very fitting, to sweep in here. But this is Tasaki.
Gurung's custom dress truly stands out and is a perfect fit for the former Miss Malaysia, exuding class and simplicity. Cascading waist-length locks, a bold red lip, and stunning jewels complete Ms. Yeoh's remarkably regal off-the-shoulder look. Number 4. Lizzo. Here's a celeb who truly understood the assignment.
It's hugging my curves just right, and I look amazing.
Lizzo showed up in a Renaissance-esque ensemble by Tom Brown, and we're crying because we love it. The intricately embroidered coat, which took 22,000 hours to make, paired with a black body-hugging gown, was the ultimate statement look. A stacked Lorraine West gold choker and long black and gold nails were the icing on the fabulous cake. And she wins our award for Best Accessory of the Night, her trusty flute. The songstress even played a little something for the spectators.
We
have to be able to repair the enamel on a daily basis.
Heard for that year or year.
Johnny Depp.
Wait a minute. One second, please. I'm really excited to try.
Tara ma make na ke kwa muji. Okay, kabale la post office la. Kabale shani wa ticket ji. No pa order mi ya phesi ka ma la bu ku de nu khi ani la se ba tani nyai la. Mi hai ki mani ka phara ka so mi wini ka ma da so. Ye ka live stream mi de che ka ri wa ni che ka le do che ka mu khi che ka mi ya phe de ni o do du ri do ma le yu ni. Mi hai ki ma ka live stream mi okay? All right. Bye. See you guys later. Ủa đó là giờ mà ra ta cơ của ni live stream này là qua bà mẹ đi nè là